Oh, so first we're going to decide where our three circles are. So just for the ease of speed at the moment, I'm going to get them the same as the answer. Australia, both islands, and on holiday. Okay, so we're going to have Australia. And we're going to have both islands, and we're going to have holiday as opposed to business. So that's Australia as opposed to not Australia. Okay, 72 were from Australia, so the 72 is going to go in there, so that circle holds 72. 126 visit just one island, the North Island or the South Island, I believe. Okay, so 126 both islands. There's 150 all up, so that's going to be 150 minus the 126, which equals 24 visit both. Correct? 58 were Australians, and they visited just one island. So that's going to be in there and there, isn't it? That they're Australian and they're not visiting both, they're visiting one. So that was 58. So I'm going to put the 58 in there because it goes in that one and that one. Okay. 79 were holiday makers. So the 79 goes in here. 21 are not from Australia and visit one island on a business trip. So that one actually sits out here, outside. 47 are Australians on a business trip. So 47 is there. Am I right? So they're not on holiday, they are from Australia. 10 are Australian holiday makers visiting both islands. Visiting both islands on holiday from Australia. 10 goes smack bang in the middle there. Okay, now what do we do with those numbers? For example, this and this and this, we know adds up to what? Okay, so if I've got my 72 and I take away my 10, I know those three are going to add up to 62. But if I take 58 plus 47, that adds up to 105. So 105 minus my 62 gives me the fact that there's 43 that are double counted. So the double counting actually goes in here. So what I've worked out is that's 43. If these two add to 47, then this must be 4. Okay, 4 plus 43 is 47. 58, now I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to go 58 minus 43, and I get 15. So I've got 15 in here. Okay. Now, what does this and this and this have to add to? So if I take my 150 people and I take away the 21 that's outside, and then take away the 10, take away the 15, take away the 4, and take away the 43, then those three have to add to 57. Yeah? Now I can work out what's in here because I can go 79 minus 15 minus 10, that's 54. And then I can go my 24 minus my 4 minus my 10, so that's got to be 10. But remember those three had to add to 57. So if we go 57 minus our 64, the 54 plus thing, we get 7. So the 7 is counted twice here. So then that would become 3, 7 and 3 is 10, and here we've got 54 minus 7, and that's 47 here. So what is the answer? Calculate the probability that a randomly selected person from this group is a holiday maker who visits both islands. So both islands, holiday maker is this one plus this one. So it's going to be 17 out of the 150 people. So let's look at the answer. And we've got 17 over 150 people. Okay, nice, done.